people who will give their right arm to have the kind of prowess you have and the privilege you have. And Gungunalo, there are so many people who are deprived of your magic. It has not reached them. And Gungunalo is the bridge that will take this, because, I mean, they deserve, they want and they deserve to reach to your music. And I think that will happen. Sonuji, my friend and the shareholder of this company, I'll request you to say something.
मतलब कमाल की बात है कि the only name left out was mine. I am the chosen one, truly. Uh, Heartiest congratulations to all of us for this special day of our lives. A lot of people's hard work and dedication has made us reach this day and experience this moment. As far as, in very short, I'd like to say that from the time I arrived in Mumbai in '91 to become a singer, my first friend that I made was Raju Singh, who's sitting over there on the other end. So we both are taking care of this row. He's sitting over there taking care. I'm in charge here. So we started. I learned a lot from him because he was back then also a senior musician and a composer, and I learned a lot of things from him. At the same time, he was very kind enough to work without asking me for any money. We started working on some songs. And the only thing that we had in our minds back then also was ऐसा कुछ करते हैं जो कोई नहीं करता. हम तभी सोचते थे कि ऐसा we would never work कि ऐसा कुछ कर लेते हैं. We made all odd songs, weird songs, and today we realize that those songs that we made are now making sense. But back then they were just two crazy children, musically enthusiastic, trying to do something different. And I guess people will not have to wait for that long because of Gungunalo now, because I can really envision me working with so many different people whom I have never been able to work with. I know all of them, I know Kaushiki, but I'd like to do something with Aruna ji, with whoever nice, whoever wants me. And so many composers will have access to do whatever they want to do. The lyrics writer can get more creative because they're not no longer limited to a movie or a theme or a story or an emotion. So as Javed Saab rightly said, we are really witnessing a very momentous moment, and this will be remembered in the future as one of the most important days of the history of music.
अनाउंस किया कि आज वो चैरिटी करेगी तो बड़ी लंबी लाइन लग गई. मजनू को तो बहाना चाहिए था उस तक पहुंचने का, तो उसने भी वो क्यों ज्वाइन कर ली. अब सबको वो खुद दे रही थी, वो प्याला रखते थे उसको दे देती थी. तो अचानक धीरे धीरे करके मजनू भी वहाँ पहुँचा, तो उसने मजनू के प्याले को लात मार दी. तो मजनू खुशी से नाचने लगा. तो लोगों ने कहा कि ये तुमने क्या किया, तुम खुश क्यों हो इस बात पे. कहला खुश मैं इस बात पे हूँ कि मुझे लैला ने बाकियों की तरह ट्रीट नहीं किया. सर, मैं प्रसून जी से कुछ कहना चाहूँगा.
First of all, I think a real congratulations to all of us. So big round of applause for all of us. Yeah. And the ones who brought this, Shankar, Mahadevan, Sridhar and Javed Saab, I mean, आप लोगों का सारी इंडस्ट्री को बार-बार शुक्रगुजार होना पड़ेगा. I feel that is how it is. दुष्यंत कुमार जी थे, उनका एक शेर था, उसमें उन्होंने कहीं लास्ट में कहा था कि वो बोलता बहुत है मगर बेजुबान है. तो अब वो there is the fact that we all have mics, we all have pens, but often I meet our friends, composers and writers all, and often I hear that पता है ये पहले क्या था, पता है ये शुरुआत में कैसे क्या लिखा था मैंने, ये सुनिए ज़रा. तो कहीं एक मलाल रह जाता है कि जो मैं कहना चाहता था वो कहने नहीं दिया गया मुझसे, कि जो मेरे अंदर पनप रहा था, और what I wanted to say, what I originally wanted to say, probably that I could not say. Somewhere I have seen in an artist. So that excuse is over. एक ऐसे इमारत में आप उड़ रहे थे कि आपको लगता था बार बार पंख टकराते हैं, काश आसमान होता। तो शायद वो आसमान भी वापस, दैट द कमीशन आर्ट वी यूज टू टॉक अबाउट, यस देयर इज ग्रेट वर्क हैज बीन डन इन कमीशन आर्ट, बट आई थिंक वी आर probably going to commission it to ourselves, which is going to be a new reality. And I feel that the fact that anywhere with जावेद साहब तो जाते ही हैं, मैं भी जब भी जाता हूँ कोई पूछता है कुछ सुनाइए, तो often वो गीत आप सुनाते हैं जो शायद इतने मकबूल नहीं हुए, इतने पॉपुलर नहीं हुए, इतने लोगों तक नहीं पहुँचे। आपको लगता है मेरा ये वो बच्चा है जिसको सब कुछ नहीं मिला, तो आप कहीं से निकाल के उसको सुनाते हैं। So this kind of syndrome will probably, and in the era where everybody seems to be becoming a broadcaster, there are more storytellers than listeners today. There are more music creators than music listeners today. In that era, I think there is something which we should also not, because feel that कि आपको माइक दिया गया है या आपको कंपोजर बनाया गया है, राइटर बनाया गया है, ये गारंटी नहीं है कि आपको सच में आवाज़ मिली है। So I think this will be a beginning of a voice for the artist who supposedly should be having a voice, I think.
शुक्रिया। और ये पहली बार होगा ऐसा कि मेरा जवाब प्रसून जी ने पहले दिया, मेरा सवाल ऐसा इसकी ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ी। ये सवाल बाद में आ रहा, जवाब पहले। मैं आपकी चीज़ें समझ सकता हूँ। एज ए मीडिया पर्सन हमारी जहाँ ज़रूरत होगी हम लोग आपके साथ हैं। आपका सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। हम बिगेस्ट एजेंसी टू फ्लैश आपकी बातें, आपके इंटरव्यू। हम भी कुछ गाना बजाते हैं तो हमारे को कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक आता है। आई होप गुनगुनालो के साथ हमारा ज़िंदगी भर ANI का टाई अप रहेगा। आपको जो बोलना है, जैसे बोलना है, वैसे पहुंचाना हमारा काम। ये भी इतिहास में पहली बार हो रहा है। प्रसून जी ने जो सवाल का जवाब दिया, उसका सवाल मैं बाद में पूछ रहा हूँ। बहुत धन्यवाद आप लोगों का। थैंक
यू। हेलो myself अभिषेक, आई एम फ्रॉम न्यूज़ हब। मेरा आप सभी से मतलब कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू ऑल। सभी लेजेंड्स एक साथ आए यहाँ पे, लाइक फ्रॉम सिंगर, कंपोजर एंड म्यूजिशियन। मेरा ये सवाल था कि इसमें जो यंग जनरेशन है, जो बर्डिंग आर्टिस्ट है, वो आपके प्लेटफॉर्म से जुड़ना चाहे तो वो कैसे जुड़ सकता है?
देखिए, पहले तो आप ये बताइए कि ये सवाल आप किससे कर रहे हैं, वरना हम लोग में झगड़े हो जाएंगे। तो दूसरा ये कि मैं समझता हूँ कि ये जवाब शंकर साहब देंगे।
शंकर सर यार आप दे सकते हैं सर।
हाँ,
गुनगुनालो में we're going to be working in phases. तो जो पहला फेज है, ये आर्टिस्ट शेयर होल्डर्स, we are going to be creating the content now. और हमारे बीच ही इतने कॉम्बिनेशंस है क्योंकि where is it that you're going to find, which platform you'll find, for example, Hari ji collaborating with maybe a Kaushiki or an Anusha Mani, or Sonu ji collaborating with Aruna Sairam, or a platform which is wholesome और depth है, aesthetics है, उसमें poetry है, अच्छी melodies हैं, तो पहले तो हम लोग उसमें जो content है वो डालेंगे. Then based on our Gungunalo family, we will decide on recommendation of our family, we will get in artists from outside, which will be maybe 100, 200, 500,000, it'll come, but they will all pass a test. You can't just come and be part of Gungunalo. It'll be under the recommendation of at least one of us from this. So that's how we're going to increase the number of artists, number of content, and make this one of the biggest platforms. Multiple languages, multiple genres. You name the genre and you'll have it here in this platform.
May I add something, Shankar Sahab? That perhaps everybody who will be a part of one song or the other may not be the member of Gungunalo. Tomorrow, Ehsan Sahab decides to do a song and he finds a young man or young girl who are very good singer, and obviously they are not the members, but he has the right to use this person. Or if you find some, Prasunji finds some very talented young composer, he has all the right to give his lyrics to him and make it, and he'll put it on the site, but the person who has composed it may not be the member, and he'll look after that person's interest. So that way, every member will be able to find talent and bring it in. There is no restriction on that. A new lyricist, a new singer, a new music director. If a member wants to bring him in the work or her in, the member is allowed. So that is how they can come. If they want to become a member, they want to be a shareholder, no problem at all.
months.
Samir ji, Hari.
Yeah, the registration fee is to make sure that we don't get riffraff. That's the reason it is there. Yeah.
Hello.
Good evening, everybody. It's a great day. It's a historic day. Doing creative music has always been my, I would say, life. Singing all kinds of genres of music, be it film, be it ghazals, be it bhajans, like a lot of us here, be it fusion. But what sets Gungunalo apart is whatever we do for this company is for us. And I've always had creative, people gave me that, or I used to take creative freedom, I would say. The artists, the curators, they own the company. It is theirs, is their temple. Hence, the creation will be of a very high level. At the same time, there is a lot of responsibility on us. All our experiences of the writers, of the singers, of the composers come into play. So I'm really expecting amazing music to be produced and put in the market by Gungunalo. All the very best, and we are here to stay. Thank you.
Music director या singer, I want everyone to गुनगुनाओ in an album at least once in 3 months, जिसमें आपके क्रिएटिव एफर्ट्स भी हम सुन सकते हैं और न्यू कमर्स को भी हम सुन पाएंगे.
ऐसा हो जाएगा सर.
Thank you,
ठीक है,
Jyoti.
कर लेंगे.
Can we hear Samir ji, please? Samir ji.
I must tell you one thing, Jyoti ji and we are very old friends, and thankfully both of us have sense of humor. So there was this kind of a press conference. So he asked me one question. Then he asked me the second question. Then I said, could anybody else ask his third question?
गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीबॉडी. मेरे ख्याल से जावेद साहब ने और आप तमाम लोगों ने सारी बातें कह दी हैं. एक बड़ा अच्छा शेर याद आ रहा है प्रसून, आपने दुष्यंत कुमार का एक शेर सुनाया, तो मेरे ख्याल से हम सबका जो ड्रीम है वो इस शेर में है कि पीर पर्वत हो चुकी है अब पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए. सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, मेरी कोशिश है कि यह सूरत बदलनी चाहिए. तो उस बदलाव के लिए हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं और पूरी उम्मीद है. अक्सर बहुत सारी ऐसी कविताएं, बहुत सारी ऐसी नज़में होती हैं जो हम फिल्मों में नहीं दे पाते. कई बार ऐसा हुआ कि हमको किताबों में वो देनी पड़ी कि अब फिल्म में तो सिचुएशन आएगी नहीं, जब जो कुछ हम तन्हाइयों में लिखते हैं, अकेलेपन में लिखते हैं, किताबें लिखनी पड़ी उनके लिए। और अक्सर जो नए बच्चे आते हैं हमसे हमेशा ये पूछते हैं कि कोई तो ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां हम डायरेक्ट कनेक्ट हो सकें और हम अपना काम दे सकें। तो मेरे ख्याल से इससे बेहतर प्लेटफॉर्म उनके लिए कोई नहीं होगा। जावेद साहब और शंकर ने ये सपना देखा और हम तमाम लोगों की ये कोशिश रहेगी कि इसको कहाँ तक लेके जा सकते हैं, और इससे बढ़िया अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे नहीं लगता कि किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म पे खास तौर से क्रिएटिव फर्टिलिटी के लिए कहीं मिलेगी। मगर एक चीज़ से थोड़ी सी शिकायत जरूर है कि जिस तरह से इस काम में लोगों को आगे आके काम करना चाहिए और अपना पार्टिसिपेशन देना चाहिए, वैसा लोग दे नहीं रहे हैं। उन लोगों से बार बार कहना पड़ता है, रिक्वेस्ट करना पड़ता है कि आप प्लीज़ गाने दीजिए, प्लीज़ गाने दीजिए। ये आपका प्लेटफॉर्म है, किसी और को कहने की ज़रूरत पड़े ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए। तो मैं आप तमाम लोगों से गुजारिश करूँगा कि एटलीस्ट जितने लोग हैं बेस्ट काम जो करके देना चाहते हैं इसमें दे दें, क्योंकि इसी से हमारा आने वाला फ्यूचर जो है सिक्योर्ड होने वाला है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
समीर साहब, उनको यकीन नहीं हो रहा है कि ऐसा हो भी रहा है क्या, इसलिए शायद नहीं दे रहे हैं।
वही
Ehsan, like to speak.
Hi, everybody. Just the one word that comes to mind is the most beautiful part about creating music, which is collaboration. And we've been doing that now for how many years? You know, the three of us with
30 years.
30 years now, actually, collaborating with everybody. I think we've collaborated with everybody who's sitting here. So it's just fun. The possibilities are endless. And I was just thinking about it. I could play blues and have Javed Saab just talking over it. Or I could play like country western and have something else on top of it. So the possibilities are endless, and it's going to be like one huge kitchen where everyone's going to just bring the ingredients in and cook out this lovely food. And that's it. And the thing is that I know that in the future, there are a lot more plans about publishing the music and doing proper publishing the way it is done, where you send catalogs abroad and maybe people in America will pick up your music and use it for something, or use it for sync, or there's a lot of possibilities. So that's the only thing. It's very exciting, and it's just superb that this is happening at last. And I'm going to thank these gentlemen here for creating this whole idea. Thanks.
Salim, can you?
Yeah, it's a great opportunity for art to finally shine. Music and poetry is art form, and somewhere that, because we're so used to making a song to a brief or to a situation or to this moment where you're thinking, imagining what you're feeling, which is the true form of expression, is something that every artist should experience. We've always, in our country, film music has always been the main hero. And of course, the last few years have been amazing that independent music has risen. But still we tend to go into a sort of a web where we are making music or making a song based on a certain situation or or something that we are creating a brief for ourselves. There's, like Ehsan said, that I can just play blues and Javed Saab have spoken word on it. And these sort of creative things are going to be so inspirational, not just for I hate the word industry, I like to use the word community. Our community is going to inspire so many more artists who will be able to think freely and express music as an art form and not just as something that they need to do. So it's truly a historic day, and there's so much that my mind is thinking and my heart is feeling, and looking forward to the next few years.
And as you can see, Shankar Mahadevan's wearing dark glasses because the future is so bright.
He's not wearing dark glasses.
Ajab, I've been asking him to do a blues album for the last only 25 years. तो अभी finally बनाएगा एहसान.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जैसे सोनू भाई ने बोला था कि हमने कितने टाइम पहले हम लोग सब एक्सपेरिमेंट करते रहते थे और सब, यस, एंड
we used to just boast to ourselves कि we are ahead of times, you know. तो वो सब ideas and जैसे आपने बोला कि आपने मेरे से बहुत कुछ सीखा है, तो चुपचाप मैंने भी बहुत कुछ सीखा है because I know so many songs you have played, right? So I see we all have there are sides in us. I call all of us as artist musicians, you know, because हम में सब कुछ है, लेकिन singing का composing, writing, I think हम सब कभी-कभी मैं जावेद साहब से गाना सुन रहा हूँ तो ऐसे लगता है इनकी आवाज़ में ये कुछ अलग लग रहा है, you know. So I think the collaboration is the difference. What we can all create different, remove the different sides of us, and actually create some experiment, you know. And I'm really looking forward क्योंकि हम लोग जब भी मिलते हैं ऐसा कुछ करेगा, ऐसा कुछ करेगा. I think हमें जो freedom कभी थी नहीं, हम भी experience कर रहे हैं अभी नहीं. So I think we'll all have to get used to it. I think this, like you said, the first phase is between all of us, we start doing all the songs, and जितना delay मेरे तरफ से गाने देने में हुआ, I think आज से नहीं होगा. Thank you.
Let's hear Papan.
Yeah, basically, I think what Prashun ji said, yeah, I still can't believe this is happening. So maybe इसीलिए हम लोग समीर जी के गाना दे नहीं पा रहे. Actually, everyone's doing their own independent. Salim has done a great job with Bhumi and his own channel. So सब अपने गाने तो कर रहे हैं. But I think this is almost unreal. I don't think this has happened anywhere in the world. I mean, just unbelievable. And मुझे लगता है इसमें एक और जो force होगा कि हम सब अपने अपने मेरा भी YouTube channel है, please subscribe. But I'm saying this is one platform where I release a song, everyone's going to push it. He releases a song, everyone's going to push it. That doesn't happen anywhere else. I think this is really
And also the difference is you are owner of the platform. Remember that.
Sorry?
You're the owner of the platform.
That obviously is, but this is going to be a big force. I think, I hope ये जैसे हम सोच रहे हैं वैसे हो जाए. It'll be amazing.
आप याद दें तो एक बात, very important personality in the history of popular music. She sang in 10 languages, in different languages, even French and English. ये एक अजीब औरत थी. उस वक्त क्या था, ये राजा महाराजा नवाब लोग होते थे जिनके यहाँ जाके आपको गाना होता था. इनकी ईगो ऐसी थी कि सिंगर को खड़े होके गाना होता. Even the musician with the tabla were not allowed to sit down. So he would stand and play tabla, stand and play sarangi, or sitar, whatever. They were not allowed to sit. Gauhar Jan was the first singer who said, if I'll come to your darbar, my musicians will sit and I will sit. Otherwise I will not come. पहली औरत है जिसने कहा कि मैं बैठ के गाऊंगी, मेरे सिंगर बैठ के बजाएंगे. हम ये अनाउंस कर रहे हैं कि हम बैठ के गाएंगे और बैठ के बजाएंगे.
और एक बात कहनी भूल गया मैं कि हर बार मुझे लगता है कि जावेद साहब कुछ हम लोगों के लिए मसीहा बन के आते हैं. जब हम तकलीफ में आते हैं, चाहे कॉपीराइट का जंग जो लड़ना था या जो लड़ाई अभी हम कहीं बीच में फंस गए कि अब आगे कैसे जाएं, तो जावेद साहब ने फिर हमको आगे निकाल देने का रास्ता निकाला. तो थैंक यू वेरी मच जावेद साहब. आप नहीं होते तो शायद इस फैटर्निटी को बहुत कुछ अधूरा छोड़ जाना पड़ता.
मगर ऐसा ना कहिए कि मैंने आपको निकाल देने का रास्ता निकाला. ये बड़ा खतरनाक स्टेटमेंट.
I want to also add maybe some more important things about Gungunano. That Gungunano is is firstly the only streaming platform in the world which is by the artist. There's no other streaming platform, which is a very big thing. There are lots of communities, lots of societies in the whole world, but an artist society, artists, writers, composers that have started a streaming platform is something that the world has never done. Also, it's not just a streaming platform, as you saw in this thing, that this is the only platform that has all kinds of social media behind the scenes. It can also allow ticket booking for artists and concerts, and a lot of things that happen in the studio, podcasts, spoken word, so many different aspects.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes. The AV said everything, but I'm just reiterating what I know from my knowledge, that so much that is created by the artist community as a streaming platform and a social media platform. There's nothing like that in the whole world. That makes a big difference.
शंकर सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है.
Just one thing to add here, that abhi se hum log we've started talking about hits and money and everything. It's very good that we do, but somewhere we need to also caution ourselves that this is we're talking about happy artists here. We're talking about self-expression. We're talking about the fact we wanted to do this and we didn't do this. Let's not that somebody out there tells us that देखिए आपको पिंजरे की बहुत आदत थी या ज़रूरत भी थी, क्योंकि देखिए आप पिंजरे से बाहर बहुत खुश नहीं हैं, कोई अच्छा काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. So the question is that are we going to judge ourselves on every day, Javed Saab, that this is how we measure that the way we have been used to be measured and we talked about marketing people and people who came in between. They measured us success and they said नहीं इस तरह का नहीं चलता है, आपको इस तरह का करना चाहिए क्योंकि हमको देखिए आपने पहली बार किया था हुआ कुछ. Now here I think that somewhere the measuring scale has to change for ourselves. I mean, I'm just cautioning ourselves when we are venturing on this journey that the yardstick is only going to be hits or only going to be the factor, or there is a happy Hariharan, more effervescent Hariharan is the yardstick.
I couldn't agree more with Prasunji, but let me add one thing. See, nobody denies the importance of marketing. Product and marketing, both of them are perhaps equally important. But at the same time, let not the tail wag the dog. That is wrong. You create freely and the marketing department should find the market for it. Don't tell us what is in the market. Market में ये चलता है इसलिए बनाओ. If that will happen, nothing new will happen. तो ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. और जहाँ पिंजरे की बात है तो आपको मैं भी सबने एक एक शेर सुनाया है तो मैं भी काश ये शेर मैंने लिखा होता, इतना अच्छा है. I envy the poet who has written this line. निकाल लाया हूँ एक पिंजरे से एक परिंदा, निकाल लाया हूँ एक पिंजरे से एक परिंदा. आज परिंदा बाहर आ गया पिंजरे से. निकाल लाया हूँ एक पिंजरे से एक परिंदा, अब इस परिंदे के दिल से पिंजरा निकालना है.
हेलो एवरीवन, दिस साइड समक्ष नामदेव. सर मैं भी
एक चीज नहीं बना रहे हैं, एक चीज जो है वो है गुनगुना लो. बट आई थिंक ईच वन ऑफ अस आर गोइंग टू बी डूइंग व्हाट ईच वन ऑफ अस वांट टू डू. यहाँ पर जो हर आर्टिस्ट यहाँ पर है इस प्लेटफॉर्म में, सभी के अपने अपने they lead a very busy life, they're successful, they're popular, वो सब तो है. लेकिन हर एक आर्टिस्ट में, I can speak on behalf of all the artists over here, still there are certain creative dreams which are there in every artist over here कि यार, you know what, I want to do this, I want to try doing this, I want to collaborate with this person, I probably want to do a Carnatic music album, or do a collaboration with somebody over here. I want, as you were speaking, maybe a beautiful poetry with alap and just a grand piano, which is played by Laya Mendonça. Something like that. ये हर एक के दिल में बहुत सारे वो, there are dreams which are creative dreams, and this is the platform that is going to fulfill those dreams. So it's not a collective thing. Each one does whatever he wants to do.
I just wanted to add to that.
This will give